everyone, my name's Hermione and today Lick have asked me to share with you the story of my hallway makeover. I have a channel here on YouTube called Hermione Chantal where I show a lot of home decor, makeovers and lifestyle content, and I've made over almost every room in my flat, but I haven't yet done the hallway, and this has kind of become a little bit of a junk area, to be honest, so it's time that we tackled it today. So let's start with what the hallway currently looks like and go from there. As you come in through the door, this is what the hallway looks like. It's quite colourful as you come in. I've got my Smeg fridge on the left, so I'd like to stick with a theme of adding a little bit more colour in here. It's quite a dark space, so I feel like we could just go with it. As you move through here, there is bathroom on the right and an airing cupboard. This section needs a good tidy up. As you can see, all of the trim was white at one point, but it's really yellowed over time, so I want to do something about the doors and the trim. But the walls are fine, so I think I'll leave them white. That's partially because I can't take off this giant mirror that's opposite the bathroom. On this side, there's an IKEA dresser, which isn't the most exciting piece of furniture, but there's not much storage in this flat, so it's very handy. I use this area as a drop zone, so it works well. On the right hand side, we've got prints I need to put on the wall and a shoe cabinet. This is the bedroom once again with a very yellow door, and that's the sitting room. This is what the hallway looks like from the other side, and I think we can definitely do something with this space just to cheer it up a little bit. So this is the start of my journey. I picked up some swatches from Lick. I want to paint each of the doors a different colour, and I might have gone a bit wild with the swatches, but I just wanted to make sure I had enough options. The amazing thing about these swatches is they match the paint colours perfectly, so you know you're going to get the perfect match when you're done. And they're peel and stick, so you can try them in multiple different areas of your home to see what they look like in different light. I left the swatches on the doors for a few days to make sure I was really happy with the colours that I picked, and then I ordered my supplies. When they arrived, the first thing I did was prep the space. I had to move all of the clutter out of the way, and I had to give it a good tidy up. When my supplies had arrived, I was so excited to get started, but the most important part of any makeover is the preparation. I was devastated when my sander died. I knew I would then have to hand sand all of the doors, but it's so worth it to get a really smooth finish. It took me a little bit longer, but we got there in the end. Once the doors had been sanded down really well, I could see where there were any imperfections, so I went in with this filler from Lick and I covered all of the holes from any of the hardware that I removed, like the door handles, and tried to get it as flat and smooth as possible. With the preparation over, it was time to paint, and I'm so excited to get some colour on these doors. So let's get into it.
I had so much fun painting all of the doors a different colour. I really enjoyed seeing the colours as they came out of the tin and how it transformed the space. The lighting was so dark in here, so I'm so sorry if you can't really see very well how I'm painting the colours on the walls, but hopefully it gives you kind of an idea of what was going on. I did all of the trim and the front door in white number 2, which perfectly matched the colour that was already on the walls, and it really brightened up this old yellowed paint colour that was already there. Now for the fun part, which is ripping off all of the tape. This is my favourite bit.
Plank Hardware have supplied us with some door handles for this project, which I'm really excited about because they're absolutely stunning. I've gone for a matte black finish. These are the ones I picked for the doors, and I've also got cabinet pull for the airing cupboard. Doors are painted, handles are on. Now it's time to just finalize the styling. I'm gonna go quite light with the styling because I don't want to clutter up the space. It's a really narrow hallway and I just need a few things to give it a little bit of interest. So I'm going to use the wall space to do most of my styling and put up a bunch of my prints that have been waiting to go up on the walls for a really long time. Because this is a small one bed flat and I'm quite tight on space, I am gonna leave the dresser and the shoe cabinet in the hallway. I do think I could do something with these though. Let me know if you think I should use some of the leftover lick paint on my shoe cabinet, and if so, which colour should I go for? Pink, yellow, dark blue, purple, or the white from the wood trim. With the styling done, I'm so excited to share with you what the final outcome is. This is what it looks like now. I'm so pleased with it. I love it so much. I love adding color to the doors. I think this is a great way to do something fun in a rental space without committing to painting an entire wall or room. And I'm really pleased I did it in the hallway, which is quite a dark space anyway. So what's the harm in trying a little bit of color to brighten it up? I think it looks like a completely different space and it's really fun as well, and it makes me feel like I'm at home. I want to say a big thank you to Lick for letting me be on your channel today, and to you guys for watching it. If you want to check out more of my makeovers and my home decor and lifestyle content on YouTube, I'm here at Hermione Chantal and also on Instagram. My question to you is, what colour would you paint your doors? Let me know in the comments below, and with all of that being said, thank you so much for watching, and see you again sometime. Bye!